In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search on Replit. Whether you're hunting for a specific project, seeking inspiration, or just trying to find some help with code snippets, Replit's search function makes it all possible, and I'm here to guide you through it. First, let's start on the Replit homepage. Open your browser and head over to Replit's website. Once you're there, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if it's your first time. You'll notice at the top of the page, there's a magnifying glass icon, a universal symbol for search. Clicking on this icon will open up the search tool, which is one of the most powerful features on Replit for navigating through its wide array of content and user creations. Now that you have the search bar open, it's time to enter your query. Start by typing in keywords that relate to what you're searching for. For example, you might be looking for a specific REPL. In this case, utilize the name of the project if you have it. If your interest is more general, perhaps in a particular programming language, you can simply type in the name of that language. This will bring up a variety of results, from projects to discussions, all related to your query. Are you looking for templates that can kickstart your project? Just enter the type of template you're interested in, and the search will provide options ranging from basic setups to more complex arrangements. This is incredibly helpful for both beginners and seasoned developers looking for a quick start. If it's a user's profile you are trying to find, entering their username will help you locate them swiftly. This can be particularly useful if you remember a user whose projects caught your attention, or if you wish to follow their work more closely. Perhaps you're after a specific piece of code, a snippet that's reusable, or provides a solution to a problem you're working on. Typing related keywords will narrow down the results to relevant snippets shared by others in the community. For those seeking advice or solutions to coding challenges, typing in related topics or questions can direct you to community posts. Replit has a vibrant community with discussions that can be incredibly insightful. It's a platform where developers help each other out by sharing knowledge and experiences. Finally, if more detailed, structured information is what you seek, such as guides or explanatory content, entering your topic of interest will bring up documentation-related results. These are often in-depth resources that can help you learn and troubleshoot. And there you have it. With these simple yet effective steps, you can navigate Replit's vast repository with ease. Whether you're exploring, learning, or troubleshooting, knowing how to utilize the search function optimally is key. I hope you found this guide helpful. Happy searching!